Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick effort comparison review between these two AI travel planner, which is Layla AI and TripAdvisor AI. So let's quickly dive into it. We're talking about Layla AI. Layla AI makes trip planning effortless with its smart itineraries builder that handle flight, hotels, and routes in seconds. It's perfect for travelers who want an organized all-in-one planner powered by conversational AI. However, it can feel buggy at times and some premium features require a subscription. Talking about TripAdvisor AI, on the other hand, offers simple review-based trip suggestion backed by millions of traveler insight. It's user-friendly and trustworthy, though it lacks deep customization and is still in early beta. So in my opinion, Layla AI wins for advanced trip planning, while TripAdvisor AI is better for quick, reliable travel ideas. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.